Okay, the today topic it is a very interesting topic. So specifically, we are talking about the task. Okay, generally, what is a task? I think you have worked in DBA, right? So you have seen the lot of jobs. Maybe jobs some SQL. You are writing some SQL statement and a bunch of SQL statement and collected together. Finally, you are scheduling somewhere, right? So that is a single unit task. So here is the same way. Task means nothing between one complete business functionality, one complete task, one complete queries. For example, I need to create a table. Once creating the table, after that I need to insert there some records on the table. Finally, I need to select the some records and push into another table. So these are the complete unit, right? These are the complete activities. It is called as a task. Uh, can you please see this diagram? Okay. Generally in the Snowflake, right? When we come to the picture of Snowflake, the task, right? When we are submitting any task, suppose if you are submitting any task, right, within 1 minute mean, first it will be taking some 20% time for the queue operation. Okay, then rest of that 40 seconds only for that. It is a actual execution. Okay. So generally, when you are submitting any task in Snowflake, 20% will be taking that queued operation. Then executing operation, it is a remaining 40 seconds. A window of 1 minute in which a single task queued for 20 seconds. One task is waiting for the queued 20 seconds, then only it is starting to execution. Suppose when you are submitting the task suddenly, based on the resource capacity, and it will be going to execute that. Otherwise, it is a queued and your resource, no, your resource allocator at all, everything. There is some architecture, right? The background architecture. So based on that, the resource availability at all, then it will be taking some queue, it will be taking some stay in some queue. Then after that, we will be executing the task. Okay, this happened because warehouse must be busy executing other queries and tasks. If the warehouse is free, mean suddenly when you are submitting the task, you will be going to execution status. Otherwise, some other task is running in the same warehouse. Maybe the is looking that your scheduler will be looking that if there is any resources free, based on that, you will be starting the execution. So the warehouse size must be determined considering the number of or volume of tasks you will be executing. So basically, the task execution it depends on that warehouse size and warehouse resource availability. Okay, this is one kind of the task. Okay, this is general task term. Okay, this is a tree of task. Tree of task mean like one parent task. We got the two child task. Then one child task will be running the triggering the other three tasks. So in this case also, when we are scheduling the root task is enough, automatically one this task is done, automatically it will be triggering the child task. I will show that examples, then you will get it clear. Don't much confuse in this theoretical. Okay, so this is a tree structure. You can and one more thing, one child task should not be the two parent task. So one parent task which has the one child task or multiple child task, but one child task should not have the more one or more parent task in the Snowflake. Okay. For example, let's see this one, right? This is a run one. This is a parent task. So when you are submitting the parent task, there is a 20% time should be performing queued operation. Then it is going to the green, this color, blue color is execution status. Okay, this is parent task is done. Then automatically child task will be triggered. The child task will be also taking some 20 seconds is a queued operation. It is checking the resource availability from that your warehouse. So based on that, it will be starting the execution status. Then it should run. So this manner will be running that your parent-child task relationship. So this is a run to next another another parent task is running. This parent task will be triggering the child task, then another child task. So what I'm telling in this point, so when you are submitting each task, you will be taking queue and execution. So both are mingled within the each and every task. So first of all, let me go to the examples, then you will get it clear what I'm saying you. How do we grade the task at all? So before just we are running the query and see the result, right? But right now, how to automate the query? How to automate the query? So in this picture only, we are going with the task. Okay, let me check this one. Okay, this is simple task only. What happened here? I'm creating one table. Okay, I'm creating one employees table. This is development database. I need to change some demo DB like that. Demo DB, there is no database, right? So okay, fine. So employees database. I am creating the employees tables under this demo DB. Okay, demo DB database and public schema under the public schema. Okay. There is no any employees table. Okay, in this case, no issue. So inside this employees table, we have three column. Employee ID is integer type. You are setting that increment, auto increment. You know sequence concept in SQL something. The same way, auto increment. Starting value equal to 1, increment 1 by 1. Okay. For each and every rows inserting automatically one for this column will be increasing one. For example, when you are inserting the first record, employee ID should be 1. So inserting the second record will be increment automatically plus 1. It will be increment second, third. So vice versa will be going to load the data. Okay. This employee name. For employee name will be always you are passing that insert query, the value will be inserting. Otherwise, the default value will be taking this server. So default is that nothing but is a constraint. Okay, these are the constraints. You know, like not null and default and primary key parking. These are the constraint. So default value mean if you are not passing any value for this field, automatically taking this name. Okay. Then load time is a date. You are passing a load time is a date. So right now, what can I do? So this is the table you are creating. So your table is successfully created. Okay. Then next step, you need to create a one task, standalone task. What is the syntax for that? Create or replace task and employees task. You can define any name, whatever. It is your suitable name. Okay. Employees task. Then you need to mention the warehouse, which warehouse name. This is a compute warehouse. You need to mention the warehouse name and you need to schedule. Schedule equal to 1 minute. Every 1 minute, this task will be running. Each and every 1 minute will be the task is running. So what is running? This insert, this step will be running. So this task which is running for each and every 1 minute, this task will be this triggering this action. So what happened here? Insert into employees load time. So load time is the load only this column you are loading. The values is the current timestamp we are passing. So then other two column it automatically. This is increment column. This is the default value will be taking automatically. Okay. So I'm creating this task right now. So once you are creating the task, this task will be running each and every minutes. The task is successfully created. Okay. Then you can show the task. So you show the task. When you are creating the task, at the first time it will be suspended. Okay. When you create any task, as per the Snowflake, first time will be suspended. You want to resume the task, then only it is starting to each and every 1 minute. So you are resuming the alter task and employee task name. This task name will resume that. Once you are resume that, then you can see that task. So the task. So right now it started. Your state is just started. Okay. Then you can go this here. You can represent that. So public, the employees table is created, right? So you can see the print the data. The data is still not coming. 1 minute is not completed. Let's check. Still, yeah, one row is there. Okay, here is one row. One side. Let's check. Should the data should be loaded? Let's say wait 1 minute. I think 55 seconds is ago. Yeah, one row submitted, one row added automatically. So this is the automation. You are creating one task. You are doing some triggering like that, right? In the RDBMS, same way. This is a automation. You are creating one task. This task will be each and every 1 minute will be running. Okay, so this task is that you can show that show task. 1 minute is 1 minute. And wait. Another 1 more minute will be inserting another rows. So this way you need to grade the task. So do you have any question for this one, bro?
Yeah, yes, sir. One.
Yeah, you got it right. You are creating some table. You are creating the task. The task scheduling and where goes you have to give that. Then this is your operation. Okay, your value only you are passing that timestamp only. Employee and employee name will be taking the default value, increment each and every value. For each and every minute, you will be inserting each and one by one, each and every rows. Each and every
Oh, okay,
minute,
sir. One.
each and every minute will be inserting each record one by one. Okay.
Okay, if I need
Second
to
record.
enter a different values, how it will be, sir?
What value you are going to insert?
No, now we are running these tasks. We are creating this task, and here we have given default is equals to server.
Uh-huh.
If I need to enter a different employee name,
Yeah, in this
like
case
how
you
we
have
can.
you have to dynamically you need to loop no loop like I will tell you you need to create some procedure or something. You need to iterate the value here. You need to variable the value, right? For example, say I am passing this second value uh, server. Okay, I am responding the suspend the task and I need to rerun that. Okay. Okay, statement. Let's see. Server will be going to insert here. So you are asking each and every time each and every time you have to change the name, different name mean. So what happened generally? Generally, what happened? You are need to select some different. You need to write this logic right here. So this logic just insert into table, right?
Yes, server.
Okay.
Yeah.
What can you do? You need to you need to this name, right? This name you need to put in one another table. You need to select one by one from that and you need to make some query and then you can insert that, right? Everything your query logic.
Yeah. That only. How can we write that query, server? We are making it automatic, right? How we
Yeah,
can
yeah.
write that query?
I'm telling you, I'm
Like
telling you.
instead of this.
Let's check this one. Yes, 1 second. Started 1 second. Okay. Yeah. How to automate the query mean? You grade some task, right? You are grade some task and you give some properties like that, right? Some then yes, you need to that. So what is your query logic? Each and every times you need to do that, right? Insert into your table, right? Your table. Okay, insert into your table name. Okay, employees. Then this is the name field, right? Name field, right? Then select any first name something. From some other tables, any name table like something name table. So this will be completely will be copied, right? The first name will be selecting whole thing, each and everything you have to copy, right? So in this case, what can we do? Put the where condition. Okay, one by one we have to iterate that, right? Okay, first name you are checking this one. Okay. Each and every time you have to iterate that. Okay. So what can you do? Some row number concept is applicable, right? Row number. So row number is concept will be generating, right? So in this
Sharman, I
case,
don't know. Like,
no,
can
do you know the row number? For examples,
No, I
yeah,
don't know.
no, for examples. So this is the first time what happened here. Suppose name table, so A is the one, this will be returning, this one. So suppose to, 4 record is there mean, so the row number will be returning. A is so to 1. This is the first column, first name column A, row number is 1, B row number equal to 2, C row number equal to 3, and D equal to row number 4, right? Correct? You got it?
Sharman.
No, you got it this
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
No, select, I just look this table, name table, we have the 4 column, 4 row. A, B, C, D is the 4 rows from the name table, okay? But you are adding the row number is the dynamic field, automatic is a predefined field. So once you are running this query, what happen? A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 will be coming, right? So are you getting or not? So
Yeah, I got the point.
this is a name table. We have the 4 record.
Yeah.
We have the 4 record. After running this query, what happened?
It will go to default.
No, no. After running this query, A, B, C, D is the first name column, right?
Yeah.
Then row number column. This is the second column. 1, 2, 3 will be ascending, correct?
Yes.
Are you right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can fetch this row number right here, right? So what happened here? You need to manipulate the logic here. Okay. Name field, you are not fetching that. Okay. Okay. If you are doing this directly, if you are doing this, what happened? All the 4 rows will be copying and directly insert that. Okay.
Yeah, Sharman.
Okay. Okay. I will
Yeah,
let you know
directly.
each and every time how do you insert the dynamic value. I will let you know tomorrow. Okay. I will work it out and
Yeah,
let you
sure.
know because I
Sure,
need to
sure.
cover some topic and I will fix that and let you know. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay,
Okay.
Sharman.
So okay. Do you understand this concept? This concept do you
Yeah,
understand?
yeah, I
So,
understood. Like, to make
yeah.
it
This.
automatic, we are going to create the tasks.
Yeah. This one, no. The name table, we have the 4
Yeah,
rows is
I got.
available. Assume that. So this is the row number column will be fetching that dynamically as in 1, 2, 3 will be assigning, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So let's check the data right now. Okay. So I will check that. Okay, I will let you know tomorrow. Yeah.
sure,
And
sure,
second
sure.
thing for that, this one tree of task, right? Tree of task mean I want to create a parent and child task, right? Accordingly, parent and child task. Hello. Hello. Yeah, this parent and child task is nothing between, no. This is the same task only. You are creating already employee task you created. Okay, I need to